Well, as it turns out, the glass screen protector I had was pretty trash. It had this little spot right there for your fingerprint. Yeah, that's going into the trash. That's going into the trash, and that is where this new screen protector, the UniqueMe case-friendly screen protector, is going to come in. So this looks pretty cool. It's going to be a TPU style screen protector, which essentially means instead of being glass, it's going to be plastic of sorts. And I am hopeful that means it's going to install quite a bit easier. So it's giving us a little bit of info on what to do. And in fact, really neat, inside of the kit comes with this little grippy piece to keep it from moving around when you try to install it. So that's nice. A couple of cool stickers and a 100% refund money back guarantee. So I definitely needed that on the other one. But that's okay here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our instructions. Our instructions are telling us to go ahead and insert this small little plastic block right into the bottom of the phone. I assume because that's going to give us a little something to hold on to. From there, looks like we need to go step 1 through 3, which basically what those steps are going to be. Yes. So this has alcohol pad, a little scrubby, all the things that we're going to need here. So take our alcohol pad, and we're definitely going to need to clean this phone up now, especially since that other one went on and was just, unfortunately, utter garbage. But this one, I have confidence, will not be. All right. And we'll take our microfiber cloth. Make sure we get it as clean as humanly possible. And then we're going to have these little dust absorbers we can take, essentially start picking up stuff that we see on screen protector. All right, for the moment, I feel pretty confident in how this screen is looking right now. Definitely take the time to get low, check it out. Feeling pretty good. So from there, we're going to be able to hook up this back portion right on. And then you're going to have your paste area, which essentially what that's doing is when this goes up, that's going to give me a spot to essentially press right off. And there that goes. I didn't catch too much of that on the screen, unfortunately. And then what's nice is now the other way, you can lift this up. And essentially just keep pushing. And once that's on, oh, hold on. You may notice the way they've set this up, it actually gives you a pretty good way to see what's not entirely connected. because that color is showing through. You can see on here, I don't know why this camera won't focus, but you can see on that right where we are. So step 3 is now going to be to remove. It looks pretty good, and essentially, you just got to make sure that the corners get landed onto the side. So from the top, you'll see I'm basically going around the edge. Making sure that we get the screen protector landed as well as we can. And I'll tell you what, that has come out looking real nice. I don't see any bubbles in this. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. Came out looking pretty good, and yeah, if you want to, there's actually a protector to be done onto the back as well. I'm going to take a look and see if I want to use that. I really don't want the lens to get obscured by the protector, but if it looks good and it's going to help protect the camera, then by all means, but I definitely do not want to cover the camera. And that's exactly what this is going to do, is it's going to cover the camera with another bit of lens. I'm not going to do that. However, I can say with some real certainty that this UniqueMe screen protector went on way better than the glass, and looks downright amazing. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this millennial review. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe so that way you can see more videos like this about the Pixel 6 Pro as well as others in the future.